Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe someone on Videoleap. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Videoleap application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you log into your account using your email address and your password, you will be taken into the home screen where you will be shown various videos that have been made by other users. Now, if you like a user, you can simply tap on the plus icon at their profile and you will follow this user. This means that you will also be a subscriber of this user's content. Now, in case you don't wish to subscribe to anyone or you wish to cancel your subscription, then you can simply go back to the username and then tap on the unfollow button. And now your subscription will be cancelled and you will be unsubscribed to this user. You can also tap on the three dots at the top right corner of their profile and then choose to block them if you wish to do so as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unsubscribe someone on Videoleap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.